Hello everyone, this is Angelino from Smartphone Technology with you today. I want today to show you another site that you can short your URLs, links and get paid every day, every hour, don't matter what time, $14. Okay, that's supposed to get 1,000 views to get this for $14. Okay, so before we start, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel Smartphone Technology, and if you like my video, so please don't forget to thumbs up my video, please, and that's very helpful. Thank you. And the bell so you can get every notifications when I had a new video uploaded. Okay, so let's start with the site. A site called linkrex.net. Okay, the site is very cool, good site. The payout is $15 per 1,000 views. Okay, if you have a good channel that in YouTube or blog or Facebook that have many viewers, many posters, many people that follows you, so it will be easy for you to get more than $15. You will get more officially than 2,000 views, let's say, so you will get $30. Okay, so you have to log in. I will sign up for you, like you will do that too. Okay, so 1 minute and we will be with you again. Okay, I'm signed in right now, so like you see, everything is zero here. It's like every other site that I promote to you in a new video, every day a new video. You see here I have zero. I have zero total earning, total views, referral. I'm only signed up right now for you, just to show you how. I'm online, so you can see dashboard. If you want a new short link, you can see like this. You can put whatever you want and put short in. Let's see if it's work correctly. Yes, okay. linkrex.net / blah blah blah. Okay, manage links like any other links. You can hide them, you can show them. Withdraw is the withdraw place that you can minimum withdraw $5 minimum. Okay, you can minimum withdraw $5. Okay, tools like the same of every another site. Referrals is my referral here is the same like every other site / Angelino with zero at the last. Okay, settings here, you put your email account so you can get money too. Like you see, you have a few options. Minimum PayPal $5, minimum Paytm $5, minimum Bitcoin $20, minimum Pioneer $50. So you choose whatever you want. I choose my PayPal. Okay, and where should I write it? Okay, here I see. Okay, I can write here whatever I want to write in my account, so I will not write it right now, but you understand the way. Okay, and anything else you want to know about this site, I can help you gladly, but there's nothing to say, there's nothing to teach about this link no more. You can use it however you like. You can share links in the YouTube, blogs, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you like. If you liked my video, if it was helpful, don't forget thumbs up, I'll be glad. And thanks for watching.